Turkish language is like a puzzle. This is what my students say about it. Because it uses vowel harmony and it uses little suffixes. And to be able to mess about with these little suffixes, you need to learn vowel harmony. So here is the two-way vowel harmony. So let's learn some Turkish grammar. Let's begin with plurals. And by the way of this, we get to take a look at vowel harmony. So let's look here. We have some vowels. So in Turkish, we divide our vowels into two major groups, and these are back vowels and front vowels. The back vowels are the ones that you literally pronounce at the back of your mouth and maybe your throat a little bit. Your tongue kind of sits at the back when you pronounce these sounds, and these are a, I, o, and u. And if you compare these with their front vowel equivalent, you will notice that the front vowels are the ones that we pronounce at the front of our mouth with our tongues towards the front of our mouth. So these are e, I, ö, and u. Right? Okay, so this is important because Turkish uses suffixes. You will see that everything happens in Turkish, almost everything, with suffixes. And to use suffixes, we need to make it easy to say them. And when we use suffixes, words tend to get long. So because of that, we need to make it easy to say these words. And vowel harmony helps us make it easy to say these long words. So our first suffix is the plural suffix, which is lar or lar. So it is lar when used after a word that ends in a back vowel. We will see that in a second. And then for a word that ends in a front vowel, we're going to use lar for plural. What does this mean? This means that when we want to make a word plural in Turkish, we will look at the final vowel in that word. The word doesn't have to end in a vowel, still we'll look at the final vowel. So in the first example, we have arabalar, right? So lar is the plural suffix. And if you look here, this is a back vowel. It is here. So we use the back vowel version of the suffix. And we say arabalar, and that is cars. Let's look at another one that doesn't end in a vowel. It ends in a consonant, but still, we look at the final vowel, which is again a. It is a back vowel, so we use lar, the back vowel version of the suffix. İnsanlar, so that is people. Let's look at another example, that is kediler. So this will be cats, kediler. And look at the final vowel, it is a front vowel. So because it's a front vowel, because it's in this group, we use this suffix. So this is from my super duper Turkish course for A1 students, for complete beginners, and for those who would like to brush up their skills. You can check out the full course because it has reading together, vocab, pronunciation, speaking activities, other activities, assignments that I check. So make sure to check it out. It's in the link. It's in the description. The link is in the description. Before we end it, let's look at the most basic sentence structure in Turkish. Let's see the example here. So bu, this. Bu bir araba. So this is a car. But if you can notice, we have bir here. This is kind of like this is a car. Bu bir araba. But there's something interesting in Turkish. Bu yeni bir araba. So yeni means new. So when we have an adjective defining a noun, we use this bir in between the adjective and the noun. So it's like an adjective plus bir plus noun. Yeni bir araba. This is a new car. Bu yeni bir araba. And there's another way of saying it, which is this one. Bu araba yeni. And that is, this car is new, as opposed to this is a new car. So this car is new. All right, so go and check out the exercises, and then I will see you in the next one.